From looking for a lot
to choosing a house design,
to the different factors to consider,
like where to shop, what to shop for, who to approach for advice,
and other tips every future house builder should know.
Project First Home will show you how it's done.
Week after week, join Angel and I as we help Philippine Realty TV's executive producer, John Aguilar, build his dream house from scratch. Most of the time, building a house entails a flurry of meetings with people who can assist you in the creative process.
Creative because each house is reflective of the designs and tastes of the future homeowner and the skills and sensibilities of their designer.
And that's why it works to John's advantage that he has a great design team behind him.
Which should also be a good tip for you future homeowners to have on your side. Diba, Gabe? Good architects.
Nandito na ako, kanina pa ako nag-iintay. What are we doing here?
Nasa firm tayo ni June Palafox.
Meron pala. Kala ko, plant lang.
Yung architect natin.
Dito siya?
Dito siya, office niya.
Okay.
So,
are you ready? I mean...
Yeah, I'm ready. Kakagaling lang namin sa site visit yesterday.
Okay.
So now, we're going to go to the architects so that they can help us conceptualize the design.
Okay.
Okay?
Sige.
So, sige, para.
Exciting na nakakakaba eh.
Oo nga eh. Parang ano ba to?
Parang kang namamanhikan na to eh. Parang meeting the girl's family for the first time. Parang meeting the architect. Parang ganun na rin yun eh. Parang, it's commitment.
Puro ba girls?
At least hindi boys. Boys.
Hello, this is Gabe.
Gabe,
welcome.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
And this is our design team, architectural team.
It's exciting. Let's get to it.
Okay.
Thank you. I was telling John that coming in, it felt like I'm meeting the parents of somebody I will marry for the first time.
Married for the first time.
I mean, meeting for the first time.
Okay.
Because like when you meet the architect, it's like you're serious. You're already set on doing things. And, well, I'm a little bit apprehensive because you've got an international team right here, and I have a feeling. Can we afford you?
Oh, we are very reasonable. We're very reasonable.
I just wanted to get that out of the way. Yeah, because I make Filipino money. So.
When John was here, he told us that he chose us because we are interdisciplinary and international.
Okay.
So we got an international team here.
I see.
Most of us Filipinos, but we have done work in 32 countries.
Wow.
So we're hoping that the best practices we learn from elsewhere, we can bring it to the table of discussion for your home, future home. So today we look at possibilities. It's what's possible on site, what possibilities of what architectural styles and characters. And from the visit also, we were told that it's a sort of a sloping property.
Yes, it is.
Don't mind the shape yet,
Right.
but there are possibilities of maybe what will be the nice views from here. But when we're talking about, I call it incremental approach to housing.
Okay.
So he may start with the more humble beginnings, then how he can grow the house later, as the household grows, or as the family grows, or as the income grows. Before we start your wish list, what's your needs list?
Okay.
What do you need? The basic minimum. So we satisfy the basic minimum needs list before we go to your wish list.
Before I went here, I came up with a wish list.
So with this, we'll quantify it, how big a bedroom would be. Then we interact with you whether it's big enough or you want it more generous.
Okay.
What's the main activity center of the house? Others is the living room, others is the kitchen. Do you entertain a lot? I think that's also.
Do you mind if there's no air conditioning in your house?
That's the thing. It's in Antipolo, so
you have nice breeze.
When in the process does the architectural style come in? Because me, I've never built a house from scratch.
Their preference. It's a good thing that it's an advantage because John would decide by himself.
Right.
We have more challenges where sometimes the husband and the wife have different
Yeah, what if
concepts.
somebody wants contract,
So
somebody wants-
so it's a challenge to bring them together.
Okay.
When we go into the next stage, design development, we start quantifying.
You can actually project. already.
Project now. Let's say even sometimes one style costs more or less than the others.
Right.
Yeah. Next meeting we have, we'll have some alternative layouts, alternative architectural elevations.
Okay.
And maybe we'll come out of 2 or 3. Then together with you, we'll choose which best fits your program requirements for your house. Yeah.
Wow. Well, I really learned a lot from this meeting. Thank you very much, architect, and thank you to your entire team. Wonderful. We're so excited.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, Architect Jay.
Okay, we're back to the drawing board. You have
Yeah.
a new property.
Yes, it's a 400 square meter lot.
Okay.
And ito yung mga dimensions niya.
You showed me the list of requirements a while ago.
Okay. So I want 4 bedrooms with a toilet and bath each, 1 maid's room, a 4-car garage, a veranda, and a garden at the front and at the back. And I want a house with a high ceiling, big windows, water features, and stone cladding